Welcome everyone to this video. I'm going to show you how to change Google Chrome browser language. Just watch and follow this video till the end. For example, right now I have English language that are running my Google Chrome. I want to change it to another language. I would just come here to this three dot in the corner of the screen and open settings. Next, here you find this bar, settings bar, click on languages. And you will find here preferred language. Click add language and add the language that you want to change your Google Chrome to it. For example, French. Click like this and click add. Right now I add it, as you can see. Come here to French, to these three dots, and click display Chrome in this language. And that's all, guys. If I come here and I will search for something, it's on French language, as you can see, guys. So I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and